Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 31st, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the dollar index, we're within my little box right here. So if this really is like a regular WXY or WXYZ, whatever it may be, then this definitely could be a zone where it turns. Now, what's going to prove this? What's going to prove this for me is a impulsive down and a break of structure on the daily time frame. So unfortunately, it's going to take quite a bit of price action to prove that this really is going back down, because I also have a secondary target way up here if it's an expanding, and this possibly could bounce, make a higher low, bounce, make higher lows, and just keep on making its way up. The trend is definitely your friend, especially on these higher time frames, and the trend is definitely still up right now. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, even on the 1 hour time frame, there's no break of structure to the downside yet. If there is a break of structure to the downside, the first thing I would do is start my Fibonacci retracement on the whole move up. But we really don't even have that yet. This possibly could, keep on drifting up pretty easily. So we are definitely still looking for longs via the US dollar pairs themselves. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.